Hello everyone. I've just done my Ethereum analysis. This is my Bitcoin analysis now. Again, I'll keep it short as per the kind of premise with these videos. But this is Bitcoin on the weekly. So it's slightly concerning for me. If we kind of zoom out and we do this three drive here, you can see we've got a bit of a bearish divergence on the weekly, which is the first thing that's concerning in itself. The trend is getting weaker. Is it going to fizzle out? Are we going to break down? So that's kind of the first concerning thing for me. Now, if we look at shorter time frames, I generally like to look at dailies and zoom out for a bit of kind of continuation on the trend. Now, for me personally, I don't use diagonal lines. I only use horizontal lines. Price either goes up, down, or sideways. Diagonal lines are a bit of a meme. Never really work out for me. Always just stick to liquidity levels of supply and demand. It always works out the best. So if we look at this here, we can see a really key level. Now, this was a key level on the daily and the weekly. So when we broke out here, and we got the retest, it cemented that this 112 level was very key for us. We swept below that in recent days and we've come back up, which is very, very good. It means that the downtrend doesn't have as much strength as we thought it might have had. However, if we stall and come back below, that would be a huge red flag for me, and it would confirm my worries with that bearish divergence on the weekly. But for now, we're kind of okay. This level here, by the way, is 111,946. So 112k is our key level. Now, I'm looking for us to maybe come and take this supply here and then come back down and do something like this. Realistically, you don't want to get bullish here unless we make a new all-time high. We swept this supply here and we came back down. We need to see this strength carry on up into a new all-time high. For us to be confident that this trend is going to continue, we need to see an all-time high from it. It's the only place I would be confident in trend continuation. Other than that, I'm looking for drawdowns on Bitcoin, and the drawdown area I'm looking for is this fair value gap here at around 90k, between 88.5 and 91k, for us to start climbing back up. This is the logical place for us to bid. So right now, I'm sitting on my hands. I'm totally out of the market. I've taken profits on other positions that I've had. I'm either looking to go long on a breakout of all-time high, or I'm looking to go short if we break down back below 112, and I'm looking for 90k. Hope this has helped people. I'm sure people have other opinions on where we're at, but I take the charts at face value. I trade the charts that are in front of me. I don't like to speculate too much or make any assumptions. Makes an ass out of you and me. So I'm waiting. Similar position with Ethereum. It's kind of a no trade zone right now. I think the next move that we're going to get is going to be a significant increase in volume, and you don't really want to get in the way of that move. So whether that's 90k or whether that's 112 to 90k, or whether that's 120k or 123k, all the way up to 180k, 200k, we'll see when it happens. For now, just waiting and watching. Like, comment, subscribe, all that jazz. I'll do another video very soon. Thank you.